Oh yeah, these are gonna stick together real good. Oh. Ready?
Uh-huh.
There we go. See, it's pitting right there. That's not going to be good. So now I got to take this shingle off.
Say that again.
I'm going to have to take this bottom shingle. See how it pitted?
Okay.
So this shingle took a chunk of this shingle right up with it.
Okay. So this whole shingle's got to come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm trying to show that, it's going to keep happening. So we have to keep going.
Okay.
Are you filming that?
Yep. We're filming right now.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so we'll get this one. See?
Yep.
That one. Again, I don't think this roof's going to be repairable. Look at that.
Okay.
Like it came off, well, not even here. See how it's taken off?
Yep.
It's all pitted. So, so now you want to take the nails out. That's not gonna work. Look at that. It's all pitted right there, cracked. Not to mention all the holes in the underlayment. Now with these shingles here, I'll try to just try to dissect it the best we can. But look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
How old's the roof?
I think this roof's about 17 years old, almost 20 years old maybe. I forgot. Okay, so we got here. That one. This one. Yeah, there's the one right there. Should be fixed. Now we try to see if it slides out there. See that?
Mm-hmm.
See. So I'm going to have to take this shingle off. If I was to repair this roof for permanent repair, I'd have to go another shingle down. And then let's see here. Oh yeah, this thing is getting worse as we get lower. See that? Did you get that?
Yep.
Zoom in on that. That's,
Zoom in on it. Here.
see that? So now this shingle's ruined. So I'd have to get this sealed flat, and then it gonna come off. Doesn't. Yeah, this roof's unrepairable. Look what it did. In my opinion, it's a completely unrepairable roof. So